Hey guys, it's Ashley. Welcome back to my channel. If you haven't been here, or if you have, you already know I am a Dallas luxury apartment locator. So if you're looking to move to the Dallas-Fort Worth area, just make sure you give me a call or send me a text. If you're looking to move in 3 days or 3 months, I got you covered. Let's get into this video where we are going to see some of the most amazing high rises. If you guys are looking for something similar to this, or you see something in this video that you love, make sure you give me a call or send me a text and I will send you the details and we can go tour together, okay? So without further ado, let's get into this video.
So I'm going to show you guys the amenities first. This is the pool, which is on one of their higher floors, so you get a really pretty view of the city. Also, the rest of the amenities are on this floor. So we have a lounge area, a game room over here where you can play pool, you can bring your guests, and then where this gentleman is sitting, there are tables and separate workspaces right here. So if you need some privacy, those are first come, first serve. Next, we have the fitness center. So right here is just a little yoga and biking studio. There are classes on the screen, and here we have the actual fitness center with the cardio equipment. And when we turn to the right, that's where the weight room is. Okay, so here is one of their one-bedroom apartments. As you can see, the kitchen is very spacious. We have an electric cooktop here, and here's the kitchen island. Plenty of space to store all your belongings, and you can put some cute little chairs there, some bar stools. We have the beautiful floor-to-ceiling windows with this large balcony. Check out the view of the city, very gorgeous. And then this is a one bedroom, so if you come over here, you will see the bedroom. It has a decent sized window. It's not floor to ceiling, but you get the views in the living space. You can still get a good view from there. And then here is the bathroom. Let's turn on the lights here. Yeah, so this one has the tub and shower and then a very large walk-in closet, which is good if you have a lot of clothes. You can store all your stuff in here.
Okay, now we're checking out a 2-bedroom floor plan. This one is going to have a corner view. So just walking in, it is already very spacious. I'm guessing this is a washer and dryer. Yes, stackable washer and dryer. And a little coat closet right here. Okay, so you have this kitchen island, very spacious. Ton of cabinetry. Got the hardwood floors, floor to ceiling windows, and this nice wide balcony. It is a little narrow, so I don't think you could fit a ton out here, but it's long. So downtown over there, the design district with the super tall buildings. And then Victory Park is over on that side. Let's check out the bedrooms. Okay, walking over here, you get a panoramic view of the city. So Arts District and Victory Park right here. There is American Airlines Stadium where all the games are, basketball, hockey, concerts, all that good stuff. So you can pretty much see the whole city from here on each side. Here is the closet. This closet could be bigger. It's a decent size, but the bedroom's pretty big, so you're getting all the space in here instead of the closet. Here is the bathroom, very large, double vanities. And bedroom number 2 is on the other side. So you do get that privacy. This closet looks slightly bigger. And another bathroom. So you're not gonna get quite as much of a view in here. The windows kind of get cut off. But still a good size. So this is a really large gym. It actually has 2 stories. Ooh, they have a Smith machine, lots of free weights, medicine balls, kettlebells, all kinds of stuff in here. And let's check out the second floor, the studio, more cardio equipment. Yeah! Ooh, we got lots of drinks on tap over there.
71%?
How many levels are there?
There's 21.
21. 21 Savage. The pool. Wow, I haven't seen any apartment with this feature right here. Also on this floor, they have a sports lounge with a golf simulator. Plenty of golf clubs over there too. So this one's 676 square feet?
Uh-huh.
Okay. I think the kitchen's a good size actually, but this living area is a little bit small. This one is on the first floor. So you do get a yard. Very dog friendly. Oh, this is a nice size little yard. This is super cute.
Like I said, they can just come out here. There's a Starbucks down there, walking distance.
Nice. Yeah, it's a super walkable area. Yeah, I used to live over here. I miss it. And then here's a bedroom. So you do have a full-size window here, but you are on the ground floor. So if you don't want people to watch what you're doing, keep that closed. And then you have the, ooh, I love this closet space right here. This is nice. A lot of built-in storage. All my shoes and purses will go here. And then here is the bathroom. It's dark blue and gold. And then large tub and shower. So yeah, that's the 1 bedroom. Let's check out a 2 bedroom. Okay, so now we are in the 2 bedroom apartment. Check out this fridge. So this is really cool. It has 4 doors. These are really expensive actually. That's cool. I haven't seen too many of these. Wow, that's awesome. Temperature settings. Very high tech. I like it, I like it. So same finishes, same backsplash, sink, colors, everything. But you get a ton of space in this one. I'll put the square footage at the bottom as well as the price. So just coming into this side, here we have the washer and dryer for both bedrooms to share. Here's bathroom number 1. It's very similar to the last one. Get 1 sink here, and then coming into this large walk-in closet and bedroom number 1. All right, now let's check out the living area. Once again, you get a really nice view. We're still on the 8th floor here. There's a different side. Oh, there's a pool down there. Mud room right here. Hang your stuff. And bedroom number 2. Ooh, this nice wraparound. This is a really large space right here. So you get the floor to ceiling windows, kind of broken up by these columns, but still a ton of natural lighting in here. Really tall ceilings as well. Wow, these are really high. Like, I'd say probably 14 feet, maybe 12, but leaning towards 14. Okay, and large closet, really large. This closet actually has 2 sides, 2 openings. Bathroom is definitely more spacious. It's only 1 sink. Most of the time when you get a really large bathroom, they'll have a double sinks, but this one just has 1. And in this one, there's no tub. It's just a walk-in shower.
This next apartment is absolutely breathtaking, and I love that it's in a super walkable area near high-end restaurants and lots of bars right in the center of the city. It also features a heated pool. It was a little cold, so we didn't go out there and look at it. I had to take you guys inside of this gym because it is huge. They actually share it with an office space next door, so you get some of that lunchtime work crowd, but there's definitely more than enough space for plenty of people to be in here at any given time. Okay, let's take a look at their
So this
apartments.
is one bedroom, 782 square feet. Closet when you walk in.
Yeah, it is. You said it's 700 square feet? 782. 782. That's probably my apartment now. Wait, yeah, you don't get a balcony like that.
All of ours are pretty good.
Yeah, it's a nice big balcony.
Like one thing that really bugs me is that they don't have enough space to fit something under here. Even if she doesn't have like enough space to put that much here. What's your occupancy at?
About 95 right now.
Okay, that's not bad.
This is the first bedroom. A walk-in closet. And bathroom. The walk-in shower, very beautiful. And then that you get this amazing amount of built-in storage right here. Beautiful kitchen. It's a huge fridge. And a gas stove top. And this view is amazing. We're only on the 7th floor right now. But you still get to see the buildings and this lovely green space right here, which is connected to the building. It's rainy right now, otherwise you'd have a lot of sunlight coming in. And then the main bedroom, oh my gosh, this is humongous. And this closet, oh, this is huge. Got built-in storage right here, very large closet. Wow. Bathroom with 2 sinks. This one does have the walk-in shower and a separate bathtub. So this one is just over 1,300 square feet. Ton of space.